Everyone, and welcome to my English lesson. I am Mackenzie Keith, and today's lesson is called David Goes to School. I hope you are all ready to learn with me for a quick lesson today. So we are going to start by learning 4 words. So the first word is going to be school. So what do we do at school? We learn. We use our brain. So school. And now our next word is going to be pencil. Okay, so we use a pencil to write. We would use a pencil to write on paper. Okay, let's learn our first 2 words. So first we have school. We go to school to learn. Our next word is pencil. We use a pencil to write things down. And our next word is bag. We can put things in our bag and then carry it on our back. What can we put in our bag? Our next word, book. We can put a book in a bag. What can you do with the book? You can open the book, and you can close the book, and you can open the book and read the book. All right, now that we learned our 4 words, let's go over them one more time. So our first word is school. What do we do at school? We learn at school. All right, and our second word is pencil. What do we do with a pencil? We write with a pencil. All right, and what's that third word? Our third word is bag. So we're gonna put things in our bag and carry it. And then our last word is book. So we can open a book and read a book. All right, great job, everyone. So now we are going to start reading our story for the day. The story for today is called David Goes to School. I want everyone to watch and see if they can find the words that I just introduced to us. All right. So what does David do in school? David gets his bag. Wait, we know that word, bag. David gets his bag. David could put a book in his bag. He could put a book in his bag. So our story begins. David gets his bag. All right. David opens his book in class. Sounds like David is doing very well in school. All right. What does David do next? David stands up in class. So David was sitting, but then he stands up in class. All right. David closes his book in class. So David opened his book, and now David's closing his book. David plays with pencils in class. We just learned that word. David plays with pencils in class. David looks outside in class. So, David looks outside in class. David likes to look outside in class. All right. David makes faces in class. All right, and our final ones. Sit down, David. So David is standing. David needs to sit down. All right, that was our story for today, and now we're just going to go over our new words one more time. All right, so where does David go? David goes to school. David goes to school to learn and use his brain. All right, our next word is pencil. David uses a pencil to write down his schoolwork. Our next word is bag. We can put things in a bag and then carry it. And our last word for the day is book. We can open a book and read a book. All right, that concludes my lesson for today. This was David Goes to School. My name is Mackenzie Keith, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you.